This is my 8650. As you see, there's some snow on the block there, some snow right in there on the block, just showing that this tractor has not been plugged in. Just 20 degrees outside. I'm gonna go in and start it right up now for the first time. If you notice, the hour meter reads 78.35. Had a full engine overhaul at 6,701 top to bottom. Had a new block, put a short block in from Abilene Machine. We also put new clutches in at the time. Tractor always starts right up. It's a really good running tractor. Interior seats in good shape. Most of the cab is in good shape. Got a little bit of an issue on the side corner here by the door. Seater on the back, 4 hydraulics. This back tire sliced the sidewall on it. Just one bad tire on it. The rest of them are good. Good looking, good running tractor.